Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we will learn how to make a temperature monitoring system using Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, we need a temperature sensor, Arduino Uno, 3 LEDs, 3 resistors and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to join them. So for this, first of all place these LEDs in this way. Connect this anode terminal of these LEDs to pin number 2, 3 and 4 respectively, and connect these cathode terminal of the LED to this resistor and the second end of the resistor, and place it in this grounding, that is the GND pin of the Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this temperature sensor. Now to connect this temperature sensor, there are total 3 pins. So first of all, connect this power pin to this 5V pin of this Arduino. Then this is the Vout pin that we need to connect to get the analog input. So connect it to this A0 pin of this Arduino. And the third one is the GND pin of the temperature sensor that we need to connect with this GND pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how the code will be. So here is our code. First of all, we have initialized these 4 variables to 0, that is the base, temperature, status and voltage. Now we have used 2 functions over here. First is the void setup function and the second one is the void loop function. And this void setup function, first of all, we are establishing a serial connection between this temperature sensor and Arduino using the serial begin function. And after this, we are declaring that which pin will be used for which purpose, that is the input or output. So for over here, we are using this A0 pin for the input purpose and 2, 3 and 4 number pin for the output purpose. Now in this loop function again we have used one variable, that is base, and we have declared it, initialized it to 0. Now what we are doing over here is, we are simply converting this analog input for some output that will be in digital way. So over here is the formula. And at last we are printing this in the serial monitor, the temperature value that will be in degree Celsius. Now we are using this if statement over here. Now as over here you can see that we have declared the value of base to 0. So now if the temperature value will be less than 0, no LED will be glow. If it will be greater than 0 and less than 50, first LED will glow and the rest of will be in low position, means they will not glow. Now if the temperature will be greater than 50 and less than 100, 2 LEDs will glow, and if the temperature will be greater than 100, all the 3 LEDs will glow for 1 second of time delay that we have said here using this delay function, which takes time in milliseconds. So now let us see how this will go. Now over here you can see this is the temperature sensor. Now as you can see, this is in minus 70 degrees Celsius. None of the LEDs is glowing. Now I am moving to this 28 degrees centigrade. As you can see, 1 LED is glowing. Now if I am moving into this 50 plus, 2 LEDs are glowing. And now when I am making it to 115 degrees centigrade, all the 3 LEDs are glowing. So in this way, this project will work. Hope you like it. Thank you.